To replace the battery in a remote controller for Toyota Auris model year 2011 or any other Toyota vehicle of that age with this remote controller, we need to just open it. It's very simple. The process is very simple. Toyota was really smart here. So to open this key fob, we need to first take out this physical key, and we do this by clicking here in and removing it out. So it's very easy. You click here down and just remove the key out. After this, as you can see here, it is visible a small dent inside which fits perfectly to the key. So what we need to do is just put it in, and then you just turn it left or right, and the key fob is open. So let me just do it a little bit more. That's it. The key fob is open and we have full access to the battery. So the battery is CR1632, and I have here a spare one, a Panasonic. I already opened it. So CR1632, as you can see, it's the correct one. So now we need to remove the battery, and here we have two pins that hold the battery in. And you need to be very careful when you will be opening the, removing the pins, putting them a little bit away so that you don't break them, because the plastic is very. So I will take one pin with my finger and the other one with my screwdriver. So just that the battery jumps out. So let us do it like this, and yeah, the battery is out. Okay. And now I can just take it. That's it. So when I was doing this, I was pushing this part in, because if not, it would come, as you can see, it's a little bit loose, it would come out. So you can also take it out, but yeah, I'll just leave it like it is. So the battery is now out, and let's put in the new battery. So CR1632, you just put it here and then slightly push here in. That's it. The battery is in. And let's just verify that it works. So if I push now the button, as you can see, there is a red light flashing. So this is it. And now we need to put back the cover. So for this, you need to really align both parts together so that you don't break anything. And when they are aligned, you just press them, and that's it. And we also put the key in. Just press it, and that's it. The key fob battery was replaced on this Toyota key.